Djibouti. Location: Djibouti is a small country located in the Horn of Africa, bordered by Eritrea to the north, Ethiopia to the west and south, and Somalia to the southeast. It also shares maritime borders with Yemen across the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. Capital: the capital and largest city of Djibouti is Djibouti City, which is situated on the eastern coast of the country. It serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of Djibouti. Population: Djibouti has a population of approximately 1 million people. The majority of the population is of Somali and Afar ethnic descent, with small communities of Arabs, Ethiopians, and Europeans. Official languages: Djibouti has two official languages, French and Arabic. French is used in government, administration, and education, while Arabic is widely spoken by the population. Somali and Afar are also spoken by their respective ethnic groups. Government: Djibouti is a unitary presidential republic with a dominant party system. The President of Djibouti serves as both the head of state and government and is elected by popular vote. The National Assembly is the legislative body of the country. Independence: Djibouti gained independence from France on June 27, 1977, after a referendum in which the population voted overwhelmingly for independence. Since then, Djibouti has pursued its own path of development and governance. Geography: Djibouti is characterized by its strategic location at the intersection of the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. The country is mostly arid and desert-like, with rugged mountains and plateaus in the interior. Lake Assal, located in the central part of the country, is the lowest point in Africa. Economy: Djibouti's economy is heavily reliant on its strategic location as a gateway to the Red Sea and the Suez Canal. The country's economy is centered around port services, logistics, and trade, with the port of Djibouti being one of the busiest in Africa. Additionally, Djibouti is investing in infrastructure development, including railway and energy projects. Currency: the official currency of Djibouti is the Djiboutian franc, DJF. It is issued and regulated by the Central Bank of Djibouti. Culture: Djibouti's culture is a blend of Somali, Afar, and Arab influences, with a rich heritage of nomadic traditions, music, dance, and oral literature. Traditional Somali and Afar clothing, such as the makawis and the sheet, are commonly worn, while Somali cuisine, including camel meat and rice dishes, is popular. Religion: Islam is the predominant religion in Djibouti, with the majority of the population adhering to Sunni Islam. The practice of Islam plays a significant role in daily life, culture, and society in Djibouti. Languages: French and Arabic are the official languages of Djibouti, while Somali and Afar are also widely spoken. English is increasingly used as a business and diplomatic language. Tourism: Djibouti is emerging as a niche tourism destination, attracting visitors interested in adventure tourism, eco-tourism, and underwater exploration. Tourist attractions include Lake Assal, Lake Abbey, and the Day Forest National Park, as well as opportunities for diving and snorkeling in the Red Sea. Environmental conservation: Djibouti is committed to environmental conservation and sustainable development. Efforts are underway to protect biodiversity, conserve natural habitats, and promote renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power. International relations: Djibouti plays a strategic role in regional geopolitics due to its location along key maritime trade routes and its hosting of foreign military bases, including those of France, the United States, China, and Japan. Djibouti maintains diplomatic relations with countries around the world and is a member of various international organizations, including the United Nations and the African Union. Djibouti, with its unique geography, diverse culture, and strategic importance, offers visitors a glimpse into the intersection of Africa, the Middle East, and the Indian Ocean. Whether exploring its rugged landscapes, experiencing its rich cultural heritage, or enjoying its warm hospitality, Djibouti promises an unforgettable experience.